Diyan na.
Yan. Ito
Yan.
galing.
Spaghetti. Thank you po. Spaghetti. Salamat po.
Bayad yan.
Yung bayad. Ah!
Kung basura, baka magkuha ng maaga.
Cheese. Guys, cheese.
We take frozen cheese. This is the best. Take frozen cheese. Get cheese. I have no cheese. Cheese. I have no cheese. Would you say the same? Right? I have no cheese. Would you say the same? Cheese, 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 cheese.
Just a small proof that I'm just one of the normal moms. I'm no fucking monster. I'm just one of those people, pared, even with my tattoos. You see, I just heard from someone who referred me to a company that when they saw my tattoo, they had to ask for my NBI clearance. So, na-shock ako kasi naghingi sila ng NBI clearance. Now, napagastos ang atin mo kasi pumunta akong NBI. Ang NBI, pagkuha po ng NBI, nagpapa-online ka po niyan. Kung ikaw hindi ka nagagastosan sa pagkuha ng NBI clearance, then good for you. Kasi ako, nagastosan ako. So, kumuha po tayo ng NBI and then I just learned that they don't really actually want to hire me because I have big tattoos. Ang loud ng discrimination nyo sa may mga tattoo. So, mukha bang galing kulungan yung mga tattoo ko, be? Makahingi ka ng NBI clearance sa akin. Di lahat ng malilinis ang balat, malilinis ang budhe. Thank you po sa water. Yung. Bro, you're even judging me. Na mas magaling nga ako gumawa ng trabaho kaysa sa'yo. Insecure ka lang kasi marami akong nagagawa kaysa sa tulad mo. Ang linis-linis nga ng balat mo. Tamad-tamad ka naman, paupo-upo ka lang dyan. Don't you know people who's got good tattoos are actually artistic? Talaga hindi ka pa nakontento. Gusto mo pa makita website ko? I gave you my website. I gave you my page. I gave you my fucking portfolio. And guess what? Wala ka lang nasabi. Nasabi mo ano? Pahingi ako ng NBI clearance mo. Kasi yun lang ang makakapag-validate sa'yo. Well, my NBI clearance is clear. Clearance is fuck. Sinigaw lang ng personality mo ang pagiging insecure mo. You were so gatekeeping and insecure that I might be able to steal your job from you. Inggit ka lang kasi hindi ka pinayagan ng mama mo. Or inggit ka lang kasi duwag ka, cooking ina mo. Wala ka palang sinabi sa pain tolerance eh. Paano pa kaya kapag mga tasks na? Ulitin ko ha. Di lahat ng may mga tattoo masasamang tao. Tulad mo, walang tattoo. The audacity to ask for an NBI clearance from me when you are actually the one who lacks credibility. I hope you get to see this. I hope you do. And FYI, after applying and after you guys assured me that I'll get the job, I immediately created a page just like what you expected. Like, I told you I do this, right? Well then, excuse me, I'll just make the page as my own and I'm gonna gain profit. Yeah, I'm gonna gain profit from that page. Too bad for you. Too bad for you. You could have gained a lot. But your loss, not mine. Jebal.